Hi, it's Amber here. In this video, we will go through how to make a Harvey ball and how to use them in your presentations. We will go through the following steps. First, I will explain what Harvey balls are and what they are used for. Then I will explain how to make them. At last, I will discuss pros and cons as well as what other visual tools you can use. Now, let's get started. Simply put, Harvey balls are used to visually represent information in a concise and intuitive manner, helping save space on your slides. As you can see on your screen, they are typically represented by circle shapes, which are filled to a varying degree, reflecting the extent to which a particular item satisfies a particular criterion, or to indicate the level of completion of a task. This is why these simple icons are used in different business areas, including project status tracking and comparisons of products or features. I have made some examples for you. The first shows a product comparison of 5 products which are compared on the following criteria: features, usability, affordability, reliability, and performance, as well as an overall score. The Harvey ball fill indicate the level of satisfaction of the particular criteria. This shows the power of using Harvey balls, as qualitative data can easily be compared without using a lot of context. In a second example, I have made a Gantt chart of a product launch with multiple tasks that need completion. The Harvey balls can be used in this Gantt chart as a way to show how far from completion the task is. In this way, it gives a simple indication of the state of a project. Pretty smart, huh? Before using Harvey balls, it's important to determine the type of information you are about to present to your audience. Harvey balls are visual tools primarily used for comparisons and not suitable for trends. Furthermore, they are useful for representing qualitative information rather than quantitative. Remember not to overcrowd your slides. Simplicity is what makes them useful, so using too many can cause confusion and detract from the important information you are trying to convey. Now let's start creating a Harvey ball in PowerPoint. Follow my steps. Go to the Insert tab in PowerPoint. Click on Shapes and select the oval shape. While drawing the circle, hold Shift to make a symmetrical shape. Format the circle using the Shape Format tab. Great. Now let's make a partial circle. Go to the Insert tab again and select Partial Circle. While drawing, make sure to match the size of the circle you created earlier. Place the partial circle exactly on top of the whole circle. Adjust the partial circle by using the yellow handles to adjust the amount filled. Choose a preset style or design a custom Harvey ball by selecting individual shape, fill, and outline options. There you have it, your very own Harvey ball. Then we only have to merge the two shapes. Select both shapes, the full circle and the partial circle. Right-click and choose Group and Group. This allows you to move them as a whole. Do you want multiple circles? Copy and paste your group Harvey ball wherever needed. Format the circle you just created. Do you want to create your own iconic Harvey balls like Consumer Reports? Then there are multiple different design options for alternative versions. You can change the fill style, for example by using a pattern like diagonal lines. You can also assign different colors to the balls to signify various levels of completion or different categories. Or you can alter the size of the balls to indicate different significance levels. Lastly, you can use symbols and icons like a check mark to indicate completion or a question mark to denote uncertainty. The final step is to ensure the audience understands what the Harvey ball is meant to represent. They can't stand alone. There need to be some context provided to clarify what they are visualizing. To achieve clarity, make sure to specify the criterion being represented. Consistency in style, size, and alignment of the Harvey balls is crucial to maintain clarity for the audience, like I have shown in this former example. Note an action title with a clear takeaway is recommended. Here it clearly states that product A is the best fit for the company. Also, the legend shows what the fill represent in the Harvey balls. In Ampler, you don't have to make your own Harvey balls. We have, among a lot of other tools, Harvey balls that can easily be filled and customized with a few clicks. It's important to remember that there are some advantages and disadvantages to Harvey balls to be aware of. I will start with the advantages. The main advantage of using Harvey Balls is their simplicity, as they allow for quick visual comparisons. Also, they are space efficient and therefore great at representing qualitative information without the need for extensive explanation overwhelming the slides. However, their simplicity can in some instances be seen as a disadvantage, as they only give limited information. For example, what exactly does a half circle mean in a given context? This subjectivity can be interpreted in different ways depending on the person, the criteria, and so forth. Also notably, the symbols are not well suited for quantitative comparisons as they lack precision. Other visual aids are better for that. Lastly, the fixed predefined levels of fill can lead to lack of nuance of the criteria presented. As discussed before, in some instances, it's better to use other visual graphs like a simple pie chart or bar chart when presenting quantitative data. Other visualization tools, such as bullet points, can also be used as an alternative to Harvey Balls. Pie charts are optimal for showing proportions or percentages, for example, the product's share of a company's revenue as shown in the picture. It's ideal for displaying relative contributions. It's, however, not ideal for precise comparisons. On the right, you see a bar chart, which are very versatile and useful for a broad range of data types. Here, the products are compared over 3 years and their respective growth in sale. A total difference is added to show the total revenue growth across the products. A pie chart will not be able to show a trend like this. To summarize, pie charts and bar charts are great at quantitative data, where Harvey Balls is better to simply visualize qualitative information. For more complex information details, bullet points can be useful. Oh, by the way, these charts are created with Ampler. Some final words. When you're creating a presentation, designing a report, or analyzing data, Harvey Balls can be a good option to significantly enhance your communication effectiveness. They are very effective for qualitative data representation, and their simplicity in the form of a filled circle makes them a strong visual tool on your PowerPoint slides. It's important to not overuse them as it defeats their purpose. A clear, simple visual layout is recommended. If, however, there is a need for multiple, consider creating a comparison table like this former example. Don't forget the legend. Remember to always think about what kind of data you are about to present, as well what's the point you want to get across. There are multiple options for data visualization. Remember to pick the most effective one. For more tips and tricks on how to take your presentations to the next level, visit our guides at ampler.io. You can also click the link below to get a free trial. See you in the next video. Bye.